Hey, what's up guys, it's me with another video. Last week we made around $12,000 around the week about a swing trade that we held. As many of you guys know, the market has been really bad. It's been crashing down, but fortunately for us, we have been able to profit out of that opportunity, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly the breakdown of the trade, of the swing trade that we took, and I'm about to show it to you guys right now once I get home. Right now I just got off the gym, I'm about to go home, and I'm gonna show you guys the exact strategy that we took in order for us to capitalize on that opportunity that the market brings us. So this is one of the things that I love. That's one of the things that I love about day trading, because we don't really necessarily have to have a bullish market in order for us to capitalize on the opportunities that the market brings us. We can actually capitalize on the good moves and also on the bad moves. So as many of you guys know, the market has been crashing, and this is exactly how we made $12,000 last week trading US30. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys. I forgot to show you guys I just got this new car too. I got it literally last week, and I think I made a video about it, but I haven't actually done a review. So that's something that I have to work on later. I have to do a whole review about this car. This is a brand new 2023 AMG E53. It's a really decent car. I got it with 4,000 miles on it. It's very good, and man, it's not the G-Wagon, it's not a GT, it's not a Lambo, but we get in there. It's a step forward, step closer to our dreams, and yeah. So now let's go back home, and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about the car, about the back of the car. It's pretty decent. It's raining already, but yeah, AMG E53 2023, 4,000 miles. There's a lot of things that I have to do on it. I have to definitely black out these AMG wheels, and probably later on I'm gonna do a wrap on it. So yeah guys, so I just wanted to show you guys the car. Let me show you guys the interior of the car. So yeah, this is it. So red interior with black. We have the ambient AMG light as well. So yeah, now that I showed it to you guys, let's go back to this breakdown of the video of how we made $12,000 trading last week, trading US30, capitalizing on the bearish market. So let's stay tuned for that, guys. Let's get it. Hey, what's up guys, how you guys doing? We are back in this trading view. I'm gonna do the breakdown of the trade that we took last week, the trade that generated us $12,000 on the Trading Academy. We all capitalized from this trade because obviously, as you guys know, we trade every single day in the morning live with the Trading Academy. So this is a trade that we took, and I wanted to share it with everybody, so they know and they get a little bit of knowledge on how to catch these 200 to 250 points on day trading. So I hope this is a valuable video for you, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you get a lot of information out of this video, because this is a very good trade that we took, and I'm gonna explain it to you. I'm gonna break it down right now. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm gonna go into the 15-minute time frame just for us to identify our areas of interest and identify market structure, because we have to identify market structure before we even consider taking a trade, just for us to understand where the market is obviously going. So as you guys can see, we have been very bearish ever since then Trump started with the wars and with the tariff wars that have been going on around China and a lot of other countries that he's putting tariffs on. Obviously, that's a clear indication that we are gonna be going down. The market is gonna be going down. So that's kind of there's a lot of politics involved in that. So that was a clear indication for me. Okay, this is gonna last for a couple of more weeks or maybe months. This continuation, this bearish momentum in the U.S. economy. So I'm gonna capitalize on that. Okay, so exactly, just I want you guys to understand that we are in a clear bearish market structure. And the reason why I don't think that we shift the structure when we have this little retracement is because it wasn't actually a retracement. As you guys can see, we have a support line right around here. I'm gonna go into the 4-hour time frame for you guys to understand where I'm coming from with this explanation, because we also have a clear support right around this area. We broke below and then we continue going down, and then as you guys can see, we are not even past that support area that we have right around here. Unless we break above this support area, then okay, then that's a clear indication that price wanna shift the structure to the upside. But until that happens, we are still bearish on US 30. Okay, I want you guys to understand we are bearish on US 30. So I'm gonna go ahead into the 15-minute time frame and identify exactly the breakdown of the trade that we took that made me confident in saying, okay, let's go ahead and take this swing trade and let's go ahead and make some money with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain to you guys exactly what I was looking at. As you guys can see, we have this confluence area right around here. We have been going up and down out of this little box, and obviously you guys can call it a little box, you guys can call it support and resistance, you guys can call it supply and demand, whatever it is you want to call it. We are respecting 1, 2, 3 touches of support right around here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches of support right around here. Remember, we have previous highs right around here. So my clear scenario was, okay, we have to be biased about our decision that we take, because we could not predict the market. We can only react to it. I want you guys to understand that we can never predict the market, we can only react to it. So my 2 scenarios was, okay, if I'm gonna take a buy, where would I take a buy? I would take a buy if we break above this previous resistance level, and I would honestly just target previous highs. That would have been such a small trade, but it would have been an accumulative trade that compounded into the end of the week. But that was my scenario A. And my scenario B was, okay, where would I took for sales? I know that price has been accumulated around this area, and I want to know exactly where would I take sales. Okay, so two things can happen. We can take sales once price touches this support, this resistance key area right around here, or we can actually dive in deeper and identify that we have an order block right around here. We have this order block. That means that price made a retracement to the upside, came back down to accumulate a little bit, and then it came right back up to this order block to retest this order block, and that would have been the perfect scenario for me to take sales. Okay, but I waited until this little confluence zone stopped, just so I know that price wasn't actually just gonna fly after this, because that's how US 30 moves. So I was waiting just for my current confirmation of a bearish engulfing candle or a bullish engulfing candle up to the upside to my previous areas of interest to know what direction price was actually gonna take. So what I did, I marked my short position right around here, and I said, okay, if price comes back to this area and then shows me a continuation of the downside, I'm gonna go ahead and get in this position. And obviously I'm gonna be target my previous lows, which are these previous lows. My perfect analysis would have been, okay, I'm gonna target this support line right around here, but that would have been such a long trade. It wouldn't have happened within the same day. It could have just happened within a week. And honestly, it could have been a lot. That price could have just retraced all the way back up until it hit our take profit. So I want you guys to be conservative as well and not be greedy, because the market can give you an opportunity, but it also can take it away from you. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and see the position that I took. I'm gonna give you guys a screenshot right around here, because I took this position at around 40,785, which was right around here, because remember, the broker is not always gonna give you the same numbers. Okay, so that's exactly where I took my position. I see that this candle started forming, so I remember that I took the position right when this red candle started showing up, and I obviously got into this trade. My target was this previous lows from this area. I'm gonna call it previous lows and that was my take profit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly how this trade played out. Right there, that's exactly where I jumped into the trade, right around this area, and then I saw obviously this continuation, so I was confident enough to say, okay, let's win this trade, let's see where it takes us. And then price started to go a little bit back up like always does, but then I started accumulating, and then at the end of the day, this was a long trade. I'm gonna make this a little bit farther because I remember it was a long trade. And then at the end of the day, Friday at around when the market closed, we ended up closing this position because on Sunday it opened right back up to the resistance, up to the support area that we had marked down before. As you guys can see, we closed the trade right around there. I think this was Friday. Yeah, market's about to close, and when the market opened back up, it came back in this area. But the trade that we predicted, the trade that we analyzed and discussed, was actually our take profit. We had a little bit of drawdown, yes we did, but that always happens. We have to be able to manage our risk in order to hold this type of drawdown, because we are traders. We cannot be right every single time, so we have to be right with our risk in order for us to let the trade breathe and let it go. So yes, this was a take profit trade. This is the trade that we took. We gathered around 400 points on this trade exactly, and we made around $12,000, and I send it all on Day Trading Academy. Day Trading Academy is a community where we trade every single day in the market live. We trade like around 8:30 a.m. when the market opens here in Chicago time. And yeah, if you guys want to join Day Trading Academy, usually charge the usual price of Day Trading Academy is $80 a month. But if you made it this far in this video, just use the discount code YouTube, and then I'll let you join Day Trading Academy for only 25 bucks. 25 bucks, which is less than $1 a day, and then you can profit from trades like this every single day, and I know you're gonna make your money back. Okay, so if you guys want to join the Trading Academy, use the discount code YouTube, and then join for not $80 a month, but just $25 a month. Okay, I'll see you guys in there. Have a good rest of your day, guys. Let's go.